All right, so our pergola covers have 3 different color combinations. The first one, bronze. This is the most popular by far. Then this one right here is going to be the clear option. This is our clear option. And then this is what we call the ice white. So if you ever hear ice, it's the ice white, okay? So here's the 3 next to each other. So you can kind of get a good up close view of the different colors. So let me break down a little bit of the numbers behind these guys. So the bronze, this system, they're all UV coated. So they all have UV coating on the top side, hardcore intense UV coating. It's gonna be fine in 200 degrees, 250 degrees. It's not gonna be a big deal. It's gonna block 100% of the UV rays. So zero UV rays are gonna actually penetrate the sheet, which is going to protect your pergola for 10 years. And so bronze, this allows, if I come up to you, Gundy, you can see here, so this blocks 70% of the sun. So it lets 30% of the light through. If you can get any of that video right there, Gundy. And so this is gonna drop temperatures. We just did a temperature gauge test on and it's on our YouTube. It dropped temperatures 14 degrees, okay? So this one, it allows, it blocks 70% of the light, and it allows 30% of the light through. So it lets through a lot of light while getting a good blockage. Okay, this is the clear. So the clear, this only blocks 20% of the light. You're gonna get 80% of the light that's coming through. So you're gonna get the smallest temperature reduction on the clear, but this is the one where you really get the really good indoor-outdoor feel. You know, when you put it up on a shade slat only pergola, look at how awesome this thing bends. My goodness, it's so amazing. So whenever you put it on a pergola and you've got the clear, I mean, it's really got the indoor-outdoor feel. I mean, you got the structure up there, the sun's coming through, you can hardly even tell that you have a cover. So it's really great for when people want that indoor-outdoor feel. Now, ice, okay, ice white. This is fantastic for commercial builds. We sell so much of this commercially, also for like modern farmhouses, people that have the white house, and then they have like a cool metal structure. We do a lot of metal structures with this one. So this one actually blocks the most light. 80% of the sun is blocked on this, and so it allows 20% through. So you're gonna get major temperature reduction in this one. It's great commercially, and it's great if you ever just have a modern type of look or a metal pergola, a welded metal pergola. So these are the 3 different colors. I'm gonna bring them up close for one last look before we end the video here, Gundy, and I'll bring them up here so we can kind of see real close the 3 different color combinations. All right, so bronze, clear, and ice. Give us a shout, and let's cover that pergola, baby.